Zapier, Make.com, N8N. It's an automation battle royale. I'm breaking down the winners and losers to save you time and money. In this video, I'll compare Zapier, Make, and N8N, three of the top automation platforms out there. If you want to automate your work without writing a single line of code, and you're looking for the best value and flexibility, stick around. I'll show you why N8N might just be the best choice for you. All three tools let you connect your favorite apps and automate repetitive tasks, all without needing to code. You can build workflows visually, set up triggers and actions, and let the software handle the busy work. Zapier is well known for its simple list-based builder. You pick a trigger, add actions, and you're done. It's straightforward and doesn't require any coding. Make takes a visual approach, letting you drag and drop steps in a flowchart style. It's very intuitive and great for beginners. N8N is often seen as a tool for developers, but here's the secret. N8N's visual workflow builder is powerful and user-friendly. You can create complex automations just by connecting nodes, no coding required. And if you ever want to go deeper, the option is there, but it's totally optional. Zapier leads in the number of integrations, with over 7,600 apps. Make offers about 1,960, and N8N has around 1,000. While N8N's number is smaller, it covers most popular apps and is constantly growing. Plus, N8N is open source, so the community is always adding new integrations. Before you choose, check each platform's integration list to make sure your must-have apps are supported. For most no-code users, N8N's library is more than enough. Zapier is the most expensive, especially if you need more than the free 100 tasks per month. Make is more affordable, with a generous free plan and low-cost paid options. N8N stands out because you can self-host it for free, with unlimited workflows and tasks. Even if you use their cloud service, the pricing is competitive, especially for the power and flexibility you get. If you want a no-code automation tool that's powerful, flexible, and cost-effective, N8N is my top pick. You get a visual builder that's easy to use, a growing list of integrations, and the freedom to scale without breaking the bank. Plus, N8N is open source, so you're always in control. If this comparison helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and automation guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.